Master Movie Summary in English. Let's begin. 2002, in Nagarkoila, a timid 17-year-old Bhavani witnesses his family's murder by his father's rivals. They force him to take the blame, and they incarcerate him in a juvenile detention facility, where the staff torture him mercilessly. As a consequence, he develops a ruthless and violent persona. Years later, Bhavani is released from the facility and owns the lorry and trade business. 2019, gradually, Bhavani becomes a feared gangster and remains immune from punishment by coercing the inmates of the detention facility to take the blame for his crimes. Creating an enormous syndicate for himself, he grows on par with his father's former rivals and eventually kills them brutally. In Chennai, John Duraraj, JUD, is a college lecturer beloved by his students for his student-friendly approach. He struggles with alcoholism and bitter dislike from fellow staff. Charul Tha, aka Charu, a newly hired lecturer at his college, is the only one who commiserates with him. JUD decides to hold an election at the school on a bet with the college principal. If the election fails, they will dismiss him from the college. Despite a successful initial election, displeased goons attack the school. Following the botched election, the chairman assigns him to a juvenile detention facility for a 3-month assignment he does not recall volunteering for. JUD reluctantly assumes his new position. The prison authorities warn him of the rampant drug abuse and violence there. However, he pays no heed to their warnings. Sabri and Manikantan, two brothers, are supposed to surrender for one of Bhavani's murders. They slip a note to an unaware JUD, who is drunk. Bhavani kills them, and he and the inmates discover their bodies hanging from the ceiling of the detention center classroom the next day. The police detain JUD for the murders, and Charu, an NGO worker, admonishes him for his negligence. While in detention, JUD discovers the brothers' note detailing the horrific activities in the detention center. Heartbroken, JUD clobbers Bhavani's goons sent to kill him. He calls Bhavani and promises to pay for the boys' debts. After quitting drinking, JUD gains control over the institution and begins to reform the inmates. However, Das, an older inmate responsible for controlling the younger children, opposes him. With the help of Undial, JUD discovers that Bhavani regularly makes inmates take the blame for his heinous crimes. He records a video of younger inmates, including Undial, discussing Das's crimes in the facility. Bhavani's goons target Charu and retrieve the film, sparing her only because of Undial's timely intervention. Undial reveals that select inmates are tattooed with the Tamil letter Pa, allowing them to access free food and drugs in exchange for surrendering for Bhavani's crimes. JUD raids various establishments and cuts off the drugs supplied to the detention facility, causing frustration to Bhavani. He sneaks into Bhavani's hideout and threatens him and his men with severe consequences while unknowingly holding Bhavani at knife point using a ball pen. Bhavani retaliates by killing JUD's batchmates and ex-students. With JUD incapacitated by grief, Das abducts most of the inmates, intending to take them out of Tamil Nadu along with Bhavani's Benami documents. With the help of Archer Vanathi, JUD defeats Das's men and rescues the children. He confronts Das, and JUD reveals he is the link between Bhavani and the crimes in the detention facility. Das reforms and transports JUD and the children to Bhavani's meatpacking plant. Bhavani's goons escort Das to a room to kill him, but he overpowers the men sent to kill him while JUD confronts Bhavani. JUD defeats Bhavani by damaging Bhavani's right hand with his bangle. Bhavani later urges JUD to join him in politics, but JUD kills him, avenging Sabri's and Manikantan's deaths. With the children safe, JUD and Das surrender to the police. The government shuts down the detention facility and sends inmates to other detention facilities and state prisons based on age. The government sends Judhud, Das, and the other adults from the facility to another prison, where they intend to reform the inmates.